Crystals as gifts, sharing the power of healing and transformation. Crystals make thoughtful and meaningful gifts that can bring joy, inspiration, and healing to others. Whether you're introducing a loved one to the world of crystals or gifting a crystal to someone already familiar with their power, this chapter will guide you through the art of selecting crystals as gifts. We will explore important points to consider, ensuring that the crystals you choose resonate with the recipient and offer them the transformative benefits of crystal energy. Consider the recipient. When selecting a crystal as a gift, consider the recipient's interests, personality, and needs. Reflect on their spiritual beliefs, hobbies, or areas of their life they may be seeking healing or support in. This thoughtful consideration will help you choose a crystal that aligns with their unique energy and intentions. Intention behind the gift. Set a clear intention for the gift you are giving. Whether it's to bring peace, love, healing, protection, or abundance into the recipient's life, infuse your intention into the crystal. This adds an extra layer of energy and personalization to the gift, making it even more meaningful. Personal connection. Choose a crystal that resonates with you and feels energetically aligned with the recipient. Your intuition plays an important role in selecting a crystal as a gift. Trust your instincts and allow yourself to be guided to the crystal that feels right for the person you are gifting it to. Educate and inform. Include information about the crystal's properties and benefits with the gift. Provide a brief description of the crystal's metaphysical properties, its healing attributes, and any other relevant information. This empowers the recipient to connect with the crystal and understand its potential impact on their well-being. Cleansing and charging. Before presenting the crystal as a gift, cleanse and charge it to remove any residual energies it may have absorbed. This ensures that the recipient starts with a fresh and energetically clear crystal. You can cleanse the crystal using methods such as running water, smudging, or sound cleansing, and charge it by placing it in sunlight or moonlight. Presentation and packaging. Consider the presentation of the crystal gift. Choose a beautiful box, pouch, or wrapping that enhances the overall experience. You can also include a handwritten note expressing your intentions, well wishes, or any personal message you want to convey. The packaging and presentation add a touch of care and thoughtfulness to the gift. Personalized selection. If you have a deep understanding of the recipient's preferences, you can personalize the selection by choosing a crystal that resonates with their birthstone, zodiac sign, or specific healing needs. This demonstrates your attention to detail and shows that you have taken the time to select a crystal that is meaningful to them. Sharing knowledge. Encourage the recipient to explore and learn more about their crystal gift. Provide recommendations for books, websites, or resources where they can further their understanding of crystals and their energetic properties. Sharing knowledge allows them to connect more deeply with the crystal and harness its potential. Encouraging self-care. Emphasize the importance of self-care and intentional use of the crystal. Encourage the recipient to set aside time for themselves, create rituals, or incorporate the crystal into their meditation or daily routines. This empowers them to cultivate a personal relationship with the crystal and maximize its transformative effects. Follow-up support. Offer ongoing support and guidance to the recipient. Let them know that you are available to answer any questions or share insights about the crystal. This support can further deepen their connection with the crystal and provide a sense of community as they explore its energies.